Here I have OPPO Find X3 Neo, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open up your bar, and here you can find the button screen recording. So by holding on this button you can access some of its settings, like you can record system sound, you can record microphone sound, you can change picture definition, you can change its frame rate, you can record front camera video, you can record screen touches, you can change video coding format. So to start recording, just tap on this recording button once. This kind of menu appears. Here you can also switch sound settings. So by tapping on the red button, recording starts immediately. So let's record some of our screen. So when you're done recording, tap on the stick icon and recording will be saved to the gallery, to the album called Screenshots. And here it is. And from here you can send, favorite, edit or delete your recording, or perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.